check it out. I just got back from vacation. I was gone for 2 weeks. Nobody noticed because nobody gives a shit. Who does? But now we're back. We're on the road that I like ripping a lot. I'm on my beautiful bike. God damn, I missed this thing. I wanted to come by this road because I heard while I was on vacation, the cops don't like that motorcyclists go up and down this road a lot. So they set up cops, and essentially just any motorcycle that rolled through, they detained them and held them for a little bit and then just scare them off and then let them go. Didn't like arrest them or book them or do anything, just so they would spread the word about cops now heavily policing this road for motorcyclists. So me and my infinite wisdom came down to check it out because I was very curious. Currently right now I haven't seen a single cop. I imagine that will change, but honestly this annoys me greatly because this is like one of the spots that I like to actually go ride my damn bike. And with the cops basically shutting down this road for any potential to rip it, and the other road that I like hitting that's famous in Austin, Lime Creek, also being more and more strict and from cops and the people who live there installing more speed bumps, it fucking sucked. Oh, holy shit. V2? God, that guy is cool. I don't know if I'll throw up like screenshots of the conversation I had with the guy on Instagram, because posting Instagram DMs low-key feels weird. But it was this one dude that I'm loosely familiar with just from being on this road at the same time as him. He was in that ZX6 in that one funny short video I made that I think I turned into a long-form video. Yeah, I also turned into a long-form video. He was on that ZX6 for like that one 30-second stint. He was one of the people that the cops held up for no reason other than just to like hassle him. It's incredibly fucked up of them to do that, and you know, it just kind of, it is what it is. And now, man, it feels fucked up because I swear it's like we're losing good places to ride in Austin, in my opinion. If you own a 1000 and you fuck with being a highway speed demon, go nuts. I don't own a 1000, nor do I fuck with being a highway speed demon, cutting through cars and splitting and shit. So it's like, what the fuck do? I like going at a reasonable pace on some twisties. Kind of wanted to wait on that V2 right there, say what's up, but I don't want it anymore. I think I'm just gonna get out of here, cause why not? I'm probably going to do it in this video. My bike desperately needs an oil change. A fun little lore factor on my bike: it's rebuilt from a crash I had in November. So this isn't the original gauge cluster. I had to get a new one. So going off the miles that this gauge cluster had when I installed it, I should have done my oil change at around 6,500 miles. If you can't tell, that says 7,420 miles. Nice. So I am slightly overdue, and riding it right now, a little unnecessary. And I also should clean my chain while I'm at it. But man, I just wanted to ride. I just wanted to ride so bad. Even if it's in traffic right now with zero shenanigans to get up to, I just desperately wanted to ride my bike right now. So in real time, I'm going tomorrow to go buy some shit and do my goddamn oil change. Fun story, this will be my first time ever doing an oil change on this machine. It's what, July 2025 right now. I bought this bike in October 2024, like late September, early October. I had it for about 2 months, and then the day before Thanksgiving I got into a crash. It's not my fault. A tow truck thought it would be like a super swagger idea to just do an illegal U-turn in front of oncoming traffic, of which included me. So that was a very fun time. I think I will go into a hell of a lot more details about it in a separate video, because a full-length YouTube video of like titled "I Crashed," the story of how I crashed, whatever, with thumbnail the screenshot of the dash cam footage I have. I think that would bang at the very least. Who the fuck is honking the horn? Somebody honking the horn. I don't know if they're honking at me. I hope not. I'm trying to be a good boy. But yeah, so I will go into that whole crash shenanigans later. But that crash happened so soon into me owning this bike, around the 2-month period. I never even got the chance to get the bike when I first had it Ooh, that's also a 650. Baller guy. I didn't even get a chance to get its first oil change when I got it then, because I bought it used. So it was good. So now I can finally get an oil change my machine. Very exciting stuff. I hope it's not weird that I'm talking significantly more right now to myself in my helmet like a freak to a GoPro. Thank God we're still recording. Oh, be careful. From the 3 videos that I made, one thing that I felt weird about them when I was watching all the footage back is how kind of quiet it was. I was thinking, like, do I put music in them? One of the videos, the one with my friend Nico on the R3, that's also doing really well, by the way. I fucking appreciate that shit. Never expected that. I went with, like, the no music and just kind of thug out the quiet, and that was fine. And then the next video that I made, the short one with the dude on the ZX6 and the weird cop scare thing that honestly was a bit clickbait. My bad. But, you know, sometimes you kind of want to try it out. Now, that one's like, I will fill the silence with music, and it felt weird. So I think I'm just going to try to talk more, because I think that will be good. Check that guy out. Speaking of talking more, that lane splitting fellow, man, he's got the right idea. I am losing my mind. It is so hot. But I won't lane split, because a couple months ago, I would lane split. I lane split it a lot. This bike, I used it to commute to and from college a lot. And in doing so, I got stuck where I am right now, despite what that clock says, in 5 o'clock rush hour traffic. So I would split through literally right now during the semester just to get fucking home. And I did it for a while, and then when I was heading home, I filtered to the top of a turn lane, and at the very front of the turn lane was an off-duty undercover cop. He rolled his window down, and he shouted at me a bit. He's like, you can't do that. And I was like, man, literally all I said to the guy was, I'm sorry, you're right, I'm sorry, you're right. And he let me go and didn't pull me over or anything, which was super sick. And ever since that happened, I'm like, that was my one time. I lane split for a bit. I lane filtered for a bit. It was great. Definitely served me well. I definitely think it should be legal. But because I got caught that one time and then let off go scot-free, I'm not pushing my luck anymore, and I just won't do it again. Usually I avoid traffic entirely because it is not fun. And Lamborghini Huracan, awesome. I think I might cut the camera soon because nothing exciting is going to happen. I'm just going home at this point. The next clip should be me. If it's not me going to the store to buy shit to do the oil change, or me in my garage doing my oil change, and then something's gone wrong because I desperately need to change my bike's oil, what I'm doing by not doing that right now is stupid as whoa, what is going on? 1 cop, 2 cop in a fucked up car. Wow.
Oh yeah. Ah shit. Oh yeah. We're doing the oil now. Finally got it going. It is like 10 p.m. today. Great time, great start. Check that out. Check out the garage, man. Ignore the chair in the back. A nice little garage. But we're draining the oil. I'm gonna put on the new filter. Got the Chicane. It's like the 303. It's supposed to be a good filter, and then I got some of that oil. Yeah, that should be exciting.
I don't know where this footage is gonna be placed in a video, if I even use it. I think I'm gonna pair it next to the footage after I said I need to do an oil change. Although that was yesterday, or 2 days ago. I did the oil change 2 days ago, and then yesterday was a baller ass day of a whole bunch of other shit that's just gonna be its own video. Or videos, I don't know. But anyway, part of what I did yesterday was start learning how to clutch up wheelies onto homie's Grom. Because, man, I've had that itch. The voices are talking to me and they're saying get the front tire in the air. And I'm a little scared to practice doing clutch ups on this bike because it has so much torque that the second I attempt to clutch up, I believe no matter how shit, it's just gonna go in the fucking sky. So what I've been doing is very baby power wheelies in first gear. And I actually have what I thought was a funny clip. I might play it here. Oh my fucking god. But anyway, I I'm at the crib and I'm doing shit on my phone and I see a YouTube video show up of like a quick how to wheelie a Ninja 650. I'm like, huh? And I click on that. And this guy just showed how to power wheelie in first gear on this thing really fucking easily. I'm like, man, I can do that. So right now, I'm gonna try to do that. I have no idea how well it goes. He seemed like he got it up very high with such little effort. I hope I don't loop my shit. All right, this seems like a good spot. All I gained from that video was you want to rev it up to like 4,000. So I'm gonna just do a little bit more for safety. Then cut the throttle and then, oh shit, I did it wrong. But then cut the throttle and then, I'm not gonna lie to you boys. I am actually terrified of whenever this bike comes up. One, because it's like, it's holy shit, it's kind of heavy, it feels nuts. And two, because goddamn, I don't want anything to happen to this thing. That wasn't even... Okay, this is actually kind of hard. What the fuck? Whoa. Oh, I got some air there. Alright. How do you fucking... Man, I can't get this bitch to pop up at all. Whoa. Okay, that didn't feel good because I jerked the handlebars, so I'm gonna skirt. Alright, honestly, I think this footage is going straight into the trash can. I didn't feel super great about any of that. That shit was stupid. I don't think anybody should see this, and if this footage goes anywhere, something must have gone horribly wrong.